Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Here I'm going to show you the fastest way to change your voice on Messenger, and this will be perfect for fun pranks or privacy with no complicated setup. And now let's just jump in. So if you want to sound funny, deep, robotic, or like a cartoon in your Messenger calls, here I'm going to show you how you can change your voice live during a call in just a few taps. So the first step that you need to do is just install a voice changer app. So actually there are many options, but here I'm going to show you one of them. You can go to the Play Store, and the apps that will be best for messenger calls are Magic Call, Fan Call, or Voice FX. So I'm going to try Magic Call in here and find it on the Play Store. Here you can just install the app first. So after the app is installed, you can just open it and allow the microphone access. So let's just wait until it's installed. Okay, let's open the app. So here is the magical. As you guys can see here, you can change voice, music on call. You need to continue with your Google account. So check on this first and click on continue with Google. Hit on OK. So as you guys can see in here, there are so many voice effect options that you can select it. There's female, male, kid, grandpa, robot, or a normal voice. So you can just allow the Microsoft microphone access and then choose the voice effect that you want. For example, I'm going to go with robot. Click on the voice effect and then tap on call in here, and now you can just open the or go back to the messenger app and start your call in here, and the app will change your voice live while you are talking with no extra setup. You can also switch voices if you want, for example from robot I'm going to go with other voice such as male. You can just go with that. So that's how you can change voice during messenger call. If you want a full prank voice playlist or a WhatsApp version, you can comment below. So please don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe. I'll see you all on the next one.